How to uninstall League of Legends. So, of course, if you want to play League of Legends, you just have to click open. And now, what if you decided to just take a break and you want to uninstall this application or this game? First, you have to make sure that your League of Legends or Riot Games is not here. If you see it, all you have to do is to tap and then click exit. That's the first thing. The second thing to do is to uninstall your League of Legends. You just have to go to add or remove programs. You see it right here. Okay, click open. And then once you're here, you can simply scroll down to look for League of Legends application, or you can just simply search that here. Okay, type League of Legends, and here it is. What you're going to do is to tap this three dots here, and then click uninstall. Now you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is uninstalling the application. Now uninstall successful, click done. And you can search it again to make sure that League of Legends has been uninstalled. And as you can see, if I'm going to search, I cannot see it right here. So that's it, and that's how easy it is to uninstall League of Legends. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.